This is only a hypothetical question. If gravity stops suddenly during the flight, the projectile will move in a tangential straight line with the acquired velocity. This is in accordance with Newton's first law. Since regular time of flight is 3 seconds for this given projectile, that is 3 seconds being the regular time, 2 gravity-free seconds, second and fourth, will be added to make a total time of flight equal to 5 seconds. And gravity or no gravity, the horizontal component of velocity remains constant at Vx, that is x component of velocity, equal to u cos 37 degree. Given u is 25, cos 37 we are using as 4 by 5, you get 20 meter per second. Therefore, each 1 second interval, the particle will make a constant horizontal displacement of 20 meters. So, the obvious answer to the average velocity is 20 meter per second, which we can get without much working. Still, we have done this discussion with detailed diagram only for the purpose, for the purpose of clarity only. So, answer we can easily get by understanding that each second horizontal displacement will be constant at equal to 20 meters. Okay, then for clarity purpose, we have given some extra details with the diagram. That's why. Okay, thank you.